Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how you can automatically add new leads of your Zoho CRM to Mailchimp as subscribers. Here in this video I'm sending my leads from Zoho CRM to Mailchimp, but in place of Zoho CRM you can also use or integrate other CRM like Pipedrive, HubSpot, etc. Now, Zoho CRM and Mailchimp are two different applications and there is no direct connection between Zoho CRM and Mailchimp. That's why we are going to integrate both of these applications with the help of an integration software that is Pabbly Connect. So that whenever a new lead is created in Zoho CRM, Pabbly Connect will automatically add it as a subscriber in Mailchimp. And you know what the best part is? This process requires no coding knowledge and any non-technical person can also do this easily. So let's begin with an example and learn the whole process. Okay, so this is my Zoho CRM and here I'm going to create a lead, and this is my Mailchimp. Here that lead will be added as subscriber. Okay, so these are my already created subscriber. Okay, so here in the Zoho CRM I'm going to create a lead with just a random name here. Okay, so here first name is Parker and the last name is Devon. Okay, company name suppose Birla. Okay, title is suppose director. Okay, mobile number. Wonderful. Now here the email. Okay, so I'm done with the details that I wanted to fill. Obviously you will fill all those details that you want to. So here I'm going to click on save. Okay, and I have created the lead successfully. Okay, so now I'm going to Mailchimp and we'll see whether this lead is added as subscriber there or not. Okay, so here, okay, so this is my Mailchimp dashboard and here I'm going to see. Okay, so here we have received this particular subscriber, that is Parker Devon. Parker, first name Parker, last name Devon, and this is the phone number. Okay, so everything is with us. That means the lead that we created is added in Mailchimp as a subscriber. Okay, now how we did it, to learn the process, let's type pabbly.com in the new tabs browser, that is pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the site of Pabbly. Here you have to click on products and you have to click on connect. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here you have to sign in. As I've already created my account, that's why I'm directly signing in. You can also sign up for free just in 2 minutes with the help of the sign up free button over here. So just click on the sign in. This is my account and here I'm going to click on connect access now. That's how you will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you have to create the workflow with the help of this create workflow button over here. Just click on it and here you have to name your workflow. So I'm going to give it name as Zoho CRM to Mailchimp. Wonderful. Now click on create. Okay, so this is the name of your workflow. Here I would like to mention that I will add the link of this workflow in the description box. You can directly clone it and directly access it into your account. Okay, so this is the workflow name and here whenever you'll click on create, these two windows will appear. This is known as trigger window and this is known as action window. You might be thinking what is this trigger or action. So let me tell you, when we talk about automation in Pabbly Connect, it works on the concept of triggers and action. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Suppose in this use case, whenever a new lead is created is trigger. Okay, and add it as subscriber in Mailchimp will be action of this process. Okay, so that's how we are going to make a connection between Zoho CRM to Mailchimp. Here in the trigger window, we are going to choose a trigger application first, that is Zoho CRM. You can type here for search it. Okay, it is taking some time. Now the trigger event. So trigger event is new module entry. You can choose the trigger event according to yourself. Okay. Now what we have to do next? We have to connect our Zoho CRM with Pabbly Connect. Here we are connecting Zoho CRM with Mailchimp through Pabbly Connect. First we will getting the data from Zoho CRM to Pabbly Connect, and then we are sending the data from Pabbly Connect to Mailchimp. In order to connect it, just click on this connect button, and here we have to add a new connection. Okay, now here connect with Zoho CRM, and here you have to add the domain name. So go back to your Zoho CRM, and here this is your domain name. Okay, so just copy it and paste it here in this domain section. Okay, now done. And here Pabbly Connect will ask for the access in your CRM, so you can give access as it is 100% safe to use. Okay, so click on accept. And we are successfully connected. That means Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect are now connected. Here the module name. What is this module name? Let me just go back to the Zoho CRM. Let me just go to home. And here I would like to tell you that these are the module names. Okay, that is leads, contacts, account. These are the module name, and that will be visible here too in this drop down. So here contacts, account, deals, products, code, everything is visible. Okay, so these are many modules. So yeah, whenever you will make an entry, it will be added as new module entry trigger event. Okay, so whenever you have to make a new entry, you will have to choose this new module entry trigger, and if you want to update some kind of entry in these modules, then you will choose update module entry. Okay, so that's how you're going to choose a trigger event here. Now here module name, as I want to create a lead, that's why I'm selecting this leads option, and here in the lead section I'm going here, and here with the help of this create lead section I'm going to create a lead. Before that I'm going back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, now it is waiting for webhook response. Just click on it. Okay, now here in the lead section just create a lead. Okay, so I'm creating a random lead here. Okay, John Lewis, company name suppose Tata. Okay, title product manager. Okay, mobile number. Okay, and the email. johnlewis@gmail.com. Okay, so I have filled the details that I wanted to fill. Rest of the details I'm not very interested, so yeah, I'm going to save the lead. Okay, so the lead has been created. Now I'm going back to Pabbly Connect, and here we have received the details of newly created lead. Okay, so all the details are here: the email ID, the name, the phone number, the address, that email ID. Okay, so everything is visible here, the title, this one. So now what we have to do, we have to send these details to our action application, that is Mailchimp. So we have already received the details in Pabbly Connect. Now we are sending the details from Pabbly Connect to Mailchimp. Okay, for that I'm going to click on this action window, and here I'm going to choose action application as Mailchimp. This is Mailchimp. Okay, now here the action event is add new member, because we are adding the lead as a new subscriber. Okay, so here I'm going to click on connect in order to connect Mailchimp with Pabbly Connect. Okay, here choose a new connection. Okay, and here token and this data center. For that you have to follow these steps, or you can just simply go to this Mailchimp. Okay, and here this account section, and here account, and here extras, just click on it, and API keys. Okay, so here I'm going to show you how to create a API key. Okay, just scroll it down and here create a key section. Okay, now here you have to create a key, and here I'm going to just scroll it down and here create a key. Okay, now here you have to add the label and you have to set the developer email. For what? Who should we contact about technical issues? That's why you have to add the email here. Okay, so the label we can add it as Zoho. Okay, and the developer email, I'm adding this account's email ID from which this account is created, okay, in order to contact. Okay, so here I'm going to add it as admin@pabbly.com. Okay, now create a key. Okay, so this is the key has been created. Okay, so this is the key and this is the data center. Okay, so this key has been already created. Now I'm not going to use this new one, I'm going to use my old one. Okay, so for that I'm going to go this here. I've just edited the URL and directly came here. Okay, so here in this API I'm going to copy this API particularly and going back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to paste it. Okay, so here you can read this particular thing also in case you got confused that what is the data center. Okay, so here the data center, you can just simply go back here and here this is the data center. Okay, so just simply copy it. It may be different in your case, so don't worry that why is it not same. Okay, so yeah, click on save and you have successfully saved the credentials. Okay, now after the connection we have to fill these fields. Okay, that is choose audience list, first name, last name, phone number, email address, and the last one is tags, and this is select the status of the subscriber. Okay, so here what we are going to do, we are going to fill these fields because in this Mailchimp, let me just show you, we are going to this audience section and this is all contacts. Okay, okay, so here in this it is already visible, that is email address, first name, last name, address and phone number. So we are going to fill these fields. Okay, so here let me just go back to Pabbly Connect and here we are going to fill these fields. Okay, so let me show you one thing. Whenever we'll click on this field, this drop down will appear. Okay, so these are the details, which details that we got in the above window. Okay, so these details can be directly mapped in this window with the help of this drop down. Okay, so here the first name we can just simply search it here, that is first name. Okay, this is John, and the second name is, that means last name. So here last name, this is the last name. Okay, let me just scroll it down a bit. Okay, and here the phone number, so we are adding the phone number. It depends on you whether you want to add the phone number or whether you want to add the mobile number. So there I have added mobile number, so that's why I'm adding it here. You can add it according to yourself. Okay, now here the email address. So you have to add the email address of the lead. Okay, so here I'm going to add the email address. This is the email address. Okay, now here in the subscriber, the subscriber should be subscribe because we are adding the new lead as subscriber. Okay, so here in the tags, here we have to follow the format of this post op, these two inverted commas. Okay, so here I'm going to add a tag and I'm going to first add the inverted commas, and here I'm going to name it as Zoho CRM leads. Okay, so here we have done with all the details. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so here I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so we have received the details over here. Okay, that means we have received the name, we have received the status, that is subscribe, first name, last name, mobile number, email ID, and everything we have received. Okay, so here I'm going back to this Mailchimp, and here I'm going to refresh the page. Okay, so here we have successfully added this John Lewis here with the phone number, with the email ID, with first name and with last name. That's how we have successfully connected our Zoho CRM with Mailchimp with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now going back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm minimizing the windows and will be summarizing what we have basically done here. Okay, so this is the action window and this is the trigger window. Okay, so here I would like to mention that I will add the link of this workflow in the description box, as I have already told you. So here what we have done, we have made a connection between Zoho CRM and Mailchimp with the help of Pabbly Connect. First we have collected the data from Zoho CRM to Pabbly Connect, and then we have sent the data from Pabbly Connect to Mailchimp. In this manner we have connected these two applications, and not just these two softwares, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. Link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is given in the description. For any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. And if you really found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.